Hello, everyone. Thank you all for tuning in. I'm so excited to have you back on this channel. So, today I made these delicious, gorgeous looking rolls, and I decided to have it with a very, very healthy green juice. So, let me know what you would love to have yours with. Leave it in the comment section below. Thank you all, and keep watching as we make this together. Step 1. I have here my chicken breast already cleaned, and I'm just going to put it in my pot, and I'll just use 3 simple ingredients: salt, thyme, and curry, to just cook it up a little bit. And I added some water. I'll let this boil for about 10 minutes. Now this is after about 7 minutes, so I'll let this boil for 10 minutes while I go over to step 2. So right here I have my all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, powdered milk, and I'll just mix that together. Now is my room temperature butter I'm going to add. In a separate bowl, I'm just going to crack 2 eggs. And first off, I'm just going to make sure that this flour and the butter is thoroughly mixed till it turns into crumbs. I'm transferring it now into a bigger bowl. And that's my egg mixture. I'm going to be adding some water, not too much. So now I'm going to mix that till it comes into a dough. So I'm going to let the dough rest while I go over to step 3. Now this is the chicken breast already cooked. I'm just putting them into my food processor, and I'm adding some already cut up purple onion. Here in this bowl I have some bouillon powder, some onion flakes, some curry, black pepper, and onion powder. So I'm just going to add some to it step by step while I add 1 egg as well. So I'm just going to be pulsing that till it shreds everything. Now I'm grinding it. So this is ready. I'm going to transfer into a bowl, as you can see. What I'm trying to actually make here is something like sausage rolls, but I don't really use sausage, so instead I try to make my own style of chicken, shredded chicken by myself. So this is my version of it. So now it's all done. We'll move over to step 4. Now our dough is well rested. It's time to roll. After rolling, I'm just going to cut up the sides to make sure it's like a square. And I'll add our chicken, grinded chicken. I'll just grease the sides with some egg wash. And I'll just roll that. Sorry about the background noise. It's really raining over here right now. It is raining all around me. I'm trying to cut that into 3 equal parts. And I'll use a fork to put some holes in it so that it can breathe while it's baking. Also, I'm using egg wash to just rub on top. And I'm going to transfer this to my baking tray, as you can see. And I'll continue the process till I finish everything. So now this is going into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And it's all done. And these really came out so delicious and so nice. Feel free to try it and let me know what you think. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, kindly leave your comments. And feel free to try, share my videos, like, and don't forget, kindly subscribe. Okay, thank you all, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye for now.